Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned salmon. First, choose fresh salmon and clean it thoroughly, removing scales and guts. Then, cut the fish into pieces that will fit comfortably into your canning jars. Make sure your jars and lids are sterilized and ready for use. This careful preparation is key for safe and delicious results. Let's get started with the next step. Now carefully pack the salmon pieces into your clean jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. For half-pint jars, add 1/2 teaspoon of canning salt. If you are using pint jars, add 1 teaspoon of salt to each. You can also add a small amount of olive oil if desired, but it's not strictly necessary for safety. This step adds flavor and helps with preservation. This is the most critical step, pressure canning. Place your filled jars into a pressure canner. For half-pint jars, process for 90 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. For pint jars, process for 100 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. Always consult your canner's manual and adjust pressure for your altitude to ensure safety. Do not use a water bath canner for salmon. Once the processing is complete, turn off the heat and let the pressure canner cool naturally. Do not open it prematurely. After cooling, remove the jars and let them sit undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Check that all lids are properly sealed. They should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your delicious homemade canned salmon in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.